The term Leukorrhea does not appear to have a widely recognized or standard definition in medical literature. However, it's possible that you may be referring to leukorrhea, which is a medical condition. #Leukorrhea. Leukorrhea is a condition characterized by a whitish or yellowish vaginal discharge that is often associated with hormonal changes or infections. It is commonly seen in women and can be caused by several factors, including normal physiological processes, e.g., during pregnancy, ovulation, or menstrual cycles. Infections, bacterial or fungal, such as bacterial vaginosis or yeast infections. Sexually transmitted infections, STIs. Inflammation or irritation of the vaginal tissues. Symptoms of leukorrhea. White or yellowish discharge. A foul odor, in some cases. Itching, irritation, or discomfort in the vaginal area, in the case of infections. Treatment. Treatment depends on the underlying cause. If it's caused by an infection, antibiotics or antifungal medications may be prescribed. If it's normal discharge, no treatment may be necessary. If Leukorrhea refers to something else, feel free to provide more context, and I'd be happy to help clarify.